Lesson 34, Special List of Words. The fact that the English language contains very many words which have a similar consonantal structure was early recognized by the inventor of Pitman Shorthand, and provision was accordingly made in the system for the easy differentiation of these words by distinguishing outlines, so that the writer would have no difficulty either in the writing or in the transcription of these similarly constructed words. It is, indeed, mainly this inherent power of readily distinguishing similar words that makes Pitman Shorthand at once legible and capable of being written with extreme rapidity. It will be found that the application of the ordinary rules of the system provides distinguishing outlines in the great majority of cases. But where this is not so, distinction is obtained by the insertion of a vowel, or in a few cases by placing the outlines out of position, or by writing a full outline instead of applying an abbreviating principle. In studying the following list of outlines, the student should seek to appreciate fully the reason for the various forms and positions. Where a line contains more than one word, the first word is the root word, the other being derivatives. The list of words here given is not, of course, exhaustive. The student may easily compile further lists for himself, and proceeding upon the method here illustrated, he may at one and the same time test his vocabulary and enlarge it by starting with a few root words and from them building up list of words formed from them by the addition of prefixes and suffixes.